Hi, and welcome to this video showcase of RTI's avionics and simulation demo. This demo was presented at ITSEC 2022 and demonstrates various simulation and avionics components connected through RTI Connext. This diagram presents a complete overview of the demonstration. The demo uses multiple flight simulators as sources of data, including Unreal Engine, FlightGear, and Lockheed Martin Prepare 3D, all publishing to the RTI Connext databus. These three simulators can be visualized using a Unity visualizer which subscribes to the databus, along with various cockpit displays from our partners like ENSCO, Presagis, and Ansys. The demo also uses various other RTI products like Replay Service to replay air traffic data and RTI Connect Anywhere to connect to the cloud and publish live simulation information to a web page. Now let's take a closer look at each component. Shown on the screen is Prepare 3D, a flight simulator created by Lockheed Martin. The simulation uses a plugin to publish position and orientation information to the Connext databus. Now shown on the screen is FlightGear, an open-source flight simulator. Similarly, this uses an RTI routing service adapter to publish position and orientation information to the Connext databus. The simulator shown on this screen uses Unreal Engine and Cesium to display the terrain and geography beneath the aircraft. The RTI Unreal Engine plugin allows the simulation to publish positional data to the Connext databus. Now let's take a look at how this integrates with RTI Connext tools. Using RTI Admin Console, we could see the various simulators publishing their flight data on the databus. As you could see, the data is changing in real time as the aircraft moves around in its various simulated environments. Shown here is how the Unity visualization component of this demo subscribes to the information on the databus and displays the three aircrafts using the SimBlocks One World SDK for Unity. This gives you a live view of what is happening in all three of the different simulations. On the left, you can see the Unreal Engine, followed by FlightGear and Prepare 3D. The data from the Unreal Engine simulation is also connected to other avionics components, including various cockpit displays like ENSCO, Presagis, and Ansys. Finally, the demo is also connected to the web using RTI Connect Anywhere, which consists of RTI Cloud Discovery Service and the real-time WAN transport. This allows data from the Unreal Engine and FlightGear simulation to be presented on a web page, which is updated in real time, acting as a fleet monitoring system. Thank you for watching this demo, and be sure to check out additional RTI Connext demos on our YouTube channel.